Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want a beautiful interactive forms on your Squarespace website, Typeform is a great choice. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you step by step how to connect your Squarespace website to Typeform in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, make sure you log in all the way to Typeform by going to Typeform and sign into your account. Then create or select a form. Basically, I will show you how right now. So we're gonna go use your favorite browser, go all the way to Typeform. Gonna go down, hit enter. Yep, here we go, typeform.com. We're gonna tap on this website, then you're gonna log in or sign up using your email address and password. You can even see the plans here. So pick your favorite one whatsoever. Plans for marketers, plan for or section, gross custom. Okay, I see. So basically you go all the way, sign in, log in, it depends on you. Create or select a form, build your form or maybe open an existing one. Tap on share, go all the way to embed, then copy the embed code. It's time now to go back to Squarespace page editor by going looking for Squarespace here. Tap on this link, it will take you to this new page where you just log in, use your email using your email address and password. Tap on edit pages, tap on edit here, then go here. For example, okay, I already have this one, so I'm gonna delete it. I'm gonna delete this one too, so I can add block. Go all the way to embed code here, for example, then tap embed block. You can even put the link here or tap or basically go and add the code. There is also this section where you usually just add an HTML or CSS or maybe even a JavaScript code by going all the way through code here. Then tap in or double clicking on code. Basically, you can even pick if you want to display your own code or no. You can select whichever basically code you want to add. Is it HTML? Is it a JavaScript whatsoever? Tap it, then hit enter, then go all the way and tap on save here. And that's it basically. After this, you may also want to just save and publish. Don't forget about this. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.